This presentation demonstrates how to deploy SQL Server over SMB with Azure Netapp Files, also known as ANF. Azure Netapp Files is built as a simple-to-consume Azure native platform service with the power and reliability of NetApp ONTAP storage software. NetApp high-performance AFF enterprise systems are now available built into Azure data centers. With these systems, customers now have access to on-premises levels of high I/O and low latency in the cloud. ONTAP's capabilities with time and space-efficient snapshot and cloning are unmatched in the industry. Integration of ANF with the NetApp Cloud Sync replication service expands the hybrid cloud model further. Azure Netapp Files supports single or always-on SQL Server instances. With ONTAP snapshot and cloning technology, you can easily deploy a test and development database environment. Select Azure Netapp Files in the Azure portal. Select Volumes. Select Add Volume. Provide the volume name. Select Capacity Pool. Select Virtual Network. Select Protocol. In this case, we are using SMB. Select Review and Create. Check the deployment status. Find the SMB path that has just been created. Copy the SMB path. Remote desktop to our Windows server and map the drive. You can see that volume access is set to everyone, which is not secure. Find the SQL Server service account. In this demo, we will use the _SQL admin account. Now grant full access to the SQL admin account. And remove everyone account access. Disconnect the volume. Now we are going to create a database that has data files on SMB shares. Validate the location of the database files. Create a snapshot of the volume to restore the snapshot to the new volume. Restore the snapshot to the new volume. Provide new volume name and protocol. It only takes a short time to restore a snapshot to the new volume. Get the path of the new volume. Remote desktop to the new host to validate the permission of the new volume. In this case, permission for the volume has been set up correctly, so that it is the same as in the original volume. Attach the database to the new SQL server. Notice that the database can be read and written. We will delete the table to demonstrate this. In this video, we have deployed SQL Server Database over SMB with Azure Netapp Files. Please consider these key takeaways. Azure Netapp Files is a fully managed cloud service. Just like any other Azure native service, ANF includes portal integration, access with REST APIs, the CLI or PowerShell, and the availability of associated SDKs. Azure Netapp Files is built using the power of ONTAP, the world's #1 storage operating system, with a deep install base and market-leading network-attached storage. There has never been a better time to migrate to Azure. Start your move now. Thanks for watching.